Hi there. Have you ever been betrayed by someone you trusted completely? A partner, a family member, a friend, a colleague? If you have, you know it doesn't just hurt, it changes you. It affects your sleep, your health, your ability to trust, your sense of who you are. And here's what nobody tells you. Betrayal is its own kind of trauma and it needs its own kind of healing. I'm Dr. Debi Silber. Through my PhD research validated by over 100,000 people across 50 countries, I discovered there's a real measurable cluster of symptoms now known as post-betrayal syndrome and a proven 5-stage pathway to full recovery. I'm the leading expert on how betrayal and shattered trust affect human performance, health, and relationships. This channel is for you if you are healing from personal betrayal or if you're a coach, therapist, or leader who supports people who are. Every week, I bring you research-backed insights, real conversations, and the tools to move you from where you are to where you want to be. Subscribe so you never miss an episode. And if you're ready to stop surviving and start transforming, you're in the right place. I'll see you on the inside.